Hey guys, what's up? So I have another unboxing I'm gonna do, and this is actually another break that I found. And let me get the knife out. It's not gonna be an SAMR. I think the video from yesterday, I said that I was not gonna do SAMR in the video, but I did put in the title ASMR. Could be wrong, I don't know. So, man, I really hate when they do this shit. Look at this. That's crazy. Put a whole bunch of glue in here. Come on, man. No one's gonna steal these cards. This freaking security that you put on this. Damn. People to buy them or what? But I bet this is a Fairfield company's doing. Like, it's gotta be. There was a guy actually looking at cards too as well. This was last weekend, I think. And he was telling me that he thinks it's probably just a kid or something doing this. I'm like, there's no way kid's gonna be doing this to every single one I've gone to Target. Like, it's the same kid doing it. Like, I've gone to different Target stores and I've seen them like this all the time. Like, I don't know what it is. Wait, who was? Oh, the first card. Yeah, never mind. So, look, little SAMR. There you go. All right, so you can do the traditional way and split them up. All right, there we go. So here's the rest, right there. All right, so the first one is LeBron James. So I thought this was pretty cool. You know, I've never had a LeBron card. I don't think I have one. Not sure. So LeBron James. This was a Game 51 Cavaliers versus the Wizards, February 7, 2004. Freshman season, Cavaliers, LeBron James, number 23, collection. So, it's pretty cool. Nice card. I was surprised in the end of this, by the way. There's No Boundaries by it's Mr. Elton Brand, Chicago Bulls. It's a pretty nice card. This is looks like a hollow. It's like a galaxy formation or something. It's pretty cool. We're gonna call this the Galaxy insert. Derek Fisher, yes! Oh man, I used to have so many Derek Fisher cards. I don't know where they went. Tim Thomas, Black Diamond. Hey, these are really nice cards. I'm pulling nice ones here. Upper Deck, they have really nice cards in series. Let's see who else we got here. This is Adrian Griffin. So, we have a Paul Millsap, ATL, Hawks, and this dude is Jerome Moiso, Celtics. What is? He looks sleepy as hell or something, or like something's bothering him. I don't remember him at all. This was back in 2001. I don't know who he is. Key Van Horn. That's another nice car right there. This is Terrell Brennan again. It's a different card, but I'll take it. We got like 3 or 4 Terrell Brennans already. We got Winston Garland instead of Timberwolves. Another nice card. It's pretty cool. I like this little logo. Gold. This is Kelly Reeves. Alright, it's just a Flair basic card. Bucks. John Barry. I don't know if it was Topps or Fleer, but I remember a long time ago, Nestle Crunch bars were actually had like cards, like basketball cards inside, and I think it was like a pack, and there's like 3 or 4 of them inside. I can't remember when this was. This was like back in probably around 96 or 97. They were pretty cool. They're like only Nestle Crunch sponsored cards. Who is this? Bob Lanier, National Chairman Student School Program. Huh. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Alright. Who is this? Oh shoot, yes! Stephon Marbury. Hey, I miss this dude in the NBA. Like, I just wish he would come back like at least one game. He would totally, you know, for all of us fans for the 1996 draft, he would totally, it's gonna make us happy and like really satisfied. Like, yes. I mean, that would be a blessing if this dude comes back at least for one day. I don't care if it's one day. Like, he needs to come back. Because pretty much all of the draftees from the class of '96 are all gone, and I mean, I would say he's like basically the only remaining member still playing ball, but not in the NBA. Like, only in the Chinese basketball league. All right, so this is that was Michael Jordan. I'm like, that's Jordan. Oh no, that's not Michael Jordan. That's Platook. Wait a minute. Who is this guy? I don't remember him. Oh no, this is his playbook. I thought it said Platook. I'm like, who the hell? There's no name on here. Who is this guy? Like, seriously? Man. I have no idea who is this. Chris Lauderdale. I don't know. I wish I knew who he is. I thought it was Jordan. Sasha. I was gonna say Vujovic. Pavlovich. Interesting. That was Sasha Vujovic. Kurt Thomas. Look at that. This is a really nice card. It's got a barcode and everything. Look at that. This is probably like, you can get a free game pass with this or something. I don't know. It's nice. So like a rookie card. Yeah, this was like a free game pass. I guess if you would get in a pack. This was back in 03. There's no way this works now. Oh well. Hey, I'm not a New York fan, so it's all good. Phil Ford, North Carolina's finest. I don't know who that is, but it looks pretty sick. I like cards like these, like vintage. Especially, it's got the Coca-Cola sponsored logo on there. Then we got Walter Palmer. So Mr. Walter right there. And then Michael Thompson. And we have Trevor Wilson, former Laker. This was back in the '94 season. Alexander Volkov, Russian dude. Then we got Kiki Vanderel, New York. Pooh Richardson, rookie card. Timberwolves, Junior. Oh, this is a nice Skyblocks. Tom Tolbert. Wait, we got this card already. Man. Reggie Williams. Reggie Williams right there. Then we got Glenn Robinson, MVP. This was back in 2001. Mario Ellie, Trailblazers. And who is this? Miguel Knight, Spurs. It's pretty nice. Michael Ansley, just chilling on the floor like. Then we got Running White. This is a authentic. It's a pretty nice card. Chris Ford, a coach, former coach of the Celtics, and Otis Fitzgerald Smith. Otis Smith, Orlando Magic. All right, the next one. It's got more cards here. Hey, I got a different pack this time. These are really fun. I like these little bricks. I mean, they have a lot of different cards. And who is this? Bimbo again. Bimbo Calls. We pulled yesterday. That's a really fucking nice card. Like, look at that. That's a really nice card. Upper Deck, man. Upper Deck, they have really nice cards. Top Stadium Club of Mark Price. Yeah. Mark Price. Glenn Robinson again. Nice. I like the little rainy effect on the card. Too bad it's not a holo, but so cool. Glenn Robinson. Then this is a rookie card of Key Jennings. Warriors. Karl Malone. Look at that. 1902 USA basketball team. It's nice. Reunion. Who's this? I think it's Chris Gatling in the background. I don't know who these guys are. Latrell Sprewell and Chris Webber, of course. How did I know this? Oh my gosh. I'm such a klutz sometimes. Then we have a rookie card of Al Thornton. Los Angeles Clippers. The Clippers. And Warren Kidd. Sixers. This is Dan Marley. Suns. This is Jason Kidd. Back with the Nets. 2005 card. Nice. Ooh, yeah! Woo! We got a Kobe! Awesome. This is like the first Kobe I get from like all these new packs, like since I started doing these videos. I had other Kobe cards, and I think they're back at home in California. I don't know. They're back at home. They must be. That's a really nice card. This is the insert, enough said. This was the big hit. Alright, so, Panini. Kobe Bryant, yes! Alright, and then we got Star Rookies, Jeff Pendergraft. It's a rookie card. Trailblazers logo, really nice, look at that. And then we got Charles Smith, New York Knicks. Excalibur card, these are really nice. Chandler Parsons. How many cards does this dude I have now? Like 10. Avery Johnson. Oh shoot, there we go. Spurs. Another Excalibur, nice. Nay. Should go here. Amir Johnson, Prestige, nice. I love Prestige cards. Rappers, little logo right there. Wow, I can barely see it. Toronto. All right. Then we got a Threats card. Hollis Thompson. Sixers. Panini, another Panini one. Prestige, Richard Jefferson. Utah Jazz. There's one a Warriors jersey. It's pretty interesting. Excalibur of Langston Galloway. Another Excalibur, really nice. I love this. Lakers AC Green, nice. AC Green right there. Hold on, put another Laker card here. Should put Derek Fisher there too, and the other guy. Tyrone Corbin, expansion draft choice. Didn't we get this yesterday? I don't know. Oh, we did. Thurl Bailey. Ronnie Segley. Eric Murdoch. Rick Mahorn. I'm sorry. I'm like, wait a minute. That's not his name. Rich. Kings. Upper Deck. Who is this? It's just a little history. Moses Malone. Terry Teagle. I got like 10 cards of this dude. Chris Gatling. George Lynch. College ball. Malik Silly. Malik. And hey, we got this yesterday, didn't we? Brian Shaw. Wes Henseld. Pacers of Rick Smith. Rick Smits. Todd Murphy. And this is Rockets of Mark Akers. Utah Jazz. Team picture. Oh, got this card. Man, I pulled that card a whole bunch of times. Brooke Lopez, Brooklyn Nets. And this is a. Wait a minute. This is LeVar Pastel. How do I remember him? And Larry Brown, former coach of Spurs. So, let's see. Fisher. I don't know where the other dude is. That's nice. Got Fisher, AC Green, and Kobe. Really nice. Now this one, this is like the 1991. It's supposed to be Series 2 then. Series 2. Come on, come on. Really? Oh, come on, there we go. Xavier, McDaniel, Stu Jackson, Clyde Drexler, Glenn Rice. Sorry, the video actually ended again. So we left with Chuck Daly, Bill Lambier, Roy Tapley, Danny Ferry, Kevin Duckworth, Dale Ellis, Lafayette Levere, Mark Aguirre, AC Green, another one, Nate Ball, and Buck Williams. So I have a lot of these ones, and I don't think series number 2 is has a lot of different ones. I believe Gary Payton would be in there. I don't know. I don't think it's in series 1. It's probably a few different ones. So, alright. Pretty nice. Now, I got this in the mail. And it's just one card. So, open it up. Just because this dude, he's a champion. Let's see who it is. It's nothing else. Oh, I got a card of DJ Mbenga. It's hilarious. I mean, he was a funny character, honestly. It's always fun having, you know, such players like that. It's pretty cool. So, he played, he got drafted, the Mavericks, and then to the Lakers. 2009 card. So, he did not attend college, non-drafted, actually. Free agent, acquired 2008. He's from Congo. That's all it says on the back. So, pretty cool. This is going to be added to the Lakers connection right there. There you go. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see if I can do the baseball really quick. I mean really quick, really soon. I know I've been saying this for like I don't know how many videos ago, but I'll do it. Thanks for watching.